welcome to Burn Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright guys, so you have the possibilities to wish for songs on this channel and I bring them up for you. Great there. So this time we have you freak out. You wished for this Shiki EXO called You Don't Remember My Name. Cool song there, based upon 4 very common chords or so. And we'll take a look at this picking pattern, but also have the possibilities to alternate that with a great strumming pattern that is very easy as well. So you can go back and forth like I showed you here in the introduction of this tutorial. Alright, so let's start. This one especially for you freak out and for all of you fans of this kind of songs. So let's go. No need for any capo on this one, so we're going clean. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the 4 chords we need. So first off, we have the E minor. That is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. The next chord is C. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. You can also go with the C major, and if you look at the picking pattern, it's actually the open B string there. So what you do there when you use the C chord as a strumming chord here, you just take off this to be the open B instead of 1st B. So it's up to you to go with clean standard C or the C major 7. That is actually even easier. All right, so that's that. Then the next chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And the next chord, this is when you think about the strumming here. So you go from this grip to this. All right, so that's an F sharp with a D in the bass, basically. But what you really need here is the bass strings here, mid and bass strings. So you're holding 2nd on E. And then with that finger, my index finger, I mute the next string below there, the A string. I just lean it on top of the A, and that gets muted. And then the rest will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. This is a grip you can hold. You don't actually need even the last strings there because you will basically use the mid and bass strings like I said. This is when it comes to the strumming. When it comes to picking later, you only really need this 2nd fret on E string, but we will come to that pretty soon. That was the chords in that order. That's how the song goes through the entire song. So E minor to the C, C major, then the G, and then the F sharp. All right. So let's take a look at each chord, and we'll start with the E minor. What you need to hold here is actually the full chord. So hold the E minor and then it will sound like this. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, back to 2nd A. Then open B, open G, 2nd A, and open G. So to repeat, open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 2nd A, open B, open G, 2nd A, and open G. You can use a pick or 1 finger if you wish. I use 4 fingers normally when it comes to these kind of picking patterns. I'm used to that. Okay, so it's up to you to get comfortable with it. Next chord is the C major or the C. So hold the chord as it is, and I would like to hold the C major. Actually, that's the most correct here because we're going to play the B string open. So only these 2 here, 3rd on A and 2nd on D. And this part sounds. So that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, back to 3rd on A. Then open B, open G, 3rd A, and open G. Slowly. That's the C. Now let's go over to G, and you just move up this grip one string up. So to this position, that's what you need. Third on E and second on A. And the G part sounds like this. That's the sound there. So that gives us third on E, second on A, open D, and back to second on A. Then open B, open G, second A, and open D. So slowly. There you have the G. And then finally we have the F sharp chord here. And what you do here, you just place the second on E, and that's it. That's what you hold. Everything else is open. And that gives us this sound. Okay, so that is second on E, open A, open G, and open A. Then open B, open G, open A, and back to open G. Slowly. And there we have the 4 chords. And this is the main part of this song. So slowly, one round of this chord progression goes. There you have it, guys. But you can also alternate this with the strumming pattern. So when we use the chords now, you will of course hold the full chord. So E minor, the C major, I will go with that still. Then the G, and then the F sharp with the D here. So that will be a little more thicker sound than just holding the second on E there. So go with the full chord here when it comes to the strumming. So let's take a look at the strumming pattern. We'll use the E minor first chord to illustrate it. So one round will be down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's the rhythm here. So a couple rounds with E minor, it goes. You're gonna play one strumming round per chord, and with this chord progression, E minor, C, G, and the F sharp, it sounds like this. Then you can go back to and play the picking, the beautiful picking there. And that pretty much summarizes this You Don't Remember My Name. It goes like that through the entire song. So I hope you enjoyed it. Freak out. Thank you for wish on this song here on this channel. Keep on wishing everybody else, and I hope I can do my best here to bring out as many songs as I can. Usually it's just one per Wednesday, but sometimes, yeah, don't give up. Perhaps we'll do a double or even a triple. I don't know. It depends. And yeah, that's for now. And if you like this tutorial, please thumb up and subscribe to this channel, of course. You will get the greatest songs ever. So till next time, play tuned.